In this video, we will show free VPN for mobile which does not require any sign up and it is unlimited as well as secure. The VPN service gives you online privacy and security. It also gives access to the restricted content by passing geo restriction to access websites, streaming services and apps unable in certain regions. It also helps in secure public Wi-Fi networks. It VPN gives you anonymous browsing experience by masking the IP address. It allows secure file transfers and protects from attackers. By using the VPN, you can use the geo-restricted apps like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and other websites. While using any VPN, make sure it is well reputed and secure. It's best to use the well reputed apps or softwares and use premium versions if you are doing any online banking or financial transaction, case sensitive file transfers, and any other activity that requires more protection. Make sure not to use the pirated or non-secure apps, VPN apps. In this video, we will use Proton VPN. It's safe, free and without ads, secure and unlimited in the free plan. And you can also buy premium plan for more server location, faster speeds and advanced features. Now let's download and try it out by checking location and checking the speed test. First go to Play Store and search for Proton VPN. Now you can see here Proton VPN is the fast and secure and verified. Click it. It has 10 million downloads. Install it. Open it. Now you don't need to sign in. You can do sign in, but you can also continue as a guest. I will do continue as a guest. You can buy it if you want, but let's do not now. Now currently the server is not connected, so you can select countries here. I will do connect, random connection. No thanks. You can change. We are now connected. You can also change the server. Change server. We are in now United States. Let's check in the browser. Google Chrome. Search for IP location. IP location. We are in US Texas. Now let's check the speed test. Speedtest.net. Now test the speed. The download and upload speed are very good here, and ping is also low compared to others. Download is 135 and the upload is 162. I have 200 around 200 mbps internet. It is very good speed while being the free, and it is secure. If you want a premium version, you can buy it. That's it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.